Hello you guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to a layout for the scrap room. We are working with the flavors of the month kit this month. Super excited to be sharing this with you. I love getting the flavors of the month kit. It's a great way to get a bunch of the new collections and not be overwhelmed with too many things. But every flavors of the month kit you are going to get 2 pieces of colored cardstock, 3 pages of pattern paper, and some embellishments from that collection. And you get 4 different ones every month. You can subscribe and auto pay, or you can go month to month and see how you like it. It's amazing. There's also add-ons and all this other lovely stuff. Make sure you check it out if you haven't yet. But this is PinkFresh, simply the best. And I'm going to do a 2-page layout for you today. But let me show you what you get in this kit. So you get 2 pages, I should see, sheets, of this Potter's Clay Basil cardstock. It's smooth cardstock. It's so pretty. It's just such a pretty neutral color. I love it. Brings out a lot of the browns and creams and things in the collection. Love it. Pattern papers, you're going to get, this one is worth the hype. This plaid is my favorite. We're going to be featuring this today. I like this too, this gray, but this plaid is amazing. You also get, this is Mood Booster, super fun paper, which is dying to be punched out or fussy cut. And this is a really fun pattern as well. And then this last but not least, this beautiful one, Have Fun. So it's this lovely black and white bold print on the one side and this beautiful stripe. Ooh, I didn't really notice that. It has like a, it's almost like a washi tape across it, but beautiful stripe. Love this as well. So I plan on playing with all of this and cutting this apart, having fun with circles today. So let me get my cardstock branding strip trimmed off. I'm going to trim this in a diagonal. And then I have some other things up my sleeve for today. You also get embellishments, not only papers, with these collections, or these kits. And so today you're going to get, or this month I should say, you're going to get a 1/4 pack of the stickers, which PinkFresh comes in 2 6x12, so you get a 1/4. I luckily got more circles since that is kind of where my brain is going, and some fun, there's some really fun things in here. I like this Freshly Brewed, Go with the Flow, Game On, High Five, Go Team, so awesome. Love it. I love PinkFresh's stickers. They're my favorite. And then you're going to get some PinkFresh frames, which are going to vary, and 3 chipboard flair, which will also vary. So I ended up getting the coffee pot, this Cheers, which I really like, this utensils, and then 3 frames, which is fun. I like this circle one. This one says Adventures, and then Stay Wild. So super fun. They come in a big sheet, so you'll just get a variable of this. So you'll get all the papers, and you'll get similar embellishments, but not the same. All right, you guys, here is my 2-page creation. I cannot show you the process because this was created using the recipe for subscribers only. So if you want detailed instructions on how I created this page, you're gonna have to be a subscriber. I'm sorry, that's just how it works. But it was super fun to create with. I love this collection. I love this kit. It's awesome. And so I'm super excited that I had a chance to write a recipe for something too, which is super fun. That is what I'm going to be doing each month. I will be writing a recipe for the subscribers for one of the page kits from the flavors of the month kit. So this month I'm doing PinkFresh. So here's what I created with that beautiful kit. I hope you enjoyed seeing what's all in the kit and seeing what I created. Make sure you go check out the Facebook group to see what everybody else created this month using this kit. Watch videos on the ScrapRoom YouTube channel to see other designers creating with this kit and this portion of the kit. And yeah, make sure you go grab your kit before they're all sold out. I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and we'll see you next time.